Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Alfred again with another product review. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Alfred again with another product unboxing. Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Alfred here again with another product unboxing. This time I'm unboxing the OHOVIV portable battery charger. The product model is the N10. And I want to show it to you here. It's a portable charger with built-in cables on the back, which is something I was looking for. I have speakers that use a micro USB, iPhone lightning cable, laptops and headphones that use USB-C, and then it also has a USB-A for input charging, as well as another USB-C for input charging as well. Just some stuff. Just want to show you the box. Here you go. I like this one because it's a LED display. Here's some stuff in the back. The N10 portable charger by OHOVIV. It supports PD 3.0 fast charging, 22.5 watt. 22.5 watts. The included cables are the micro USB-C, the lightning cable, the USB Type-C cable, and the USB-A cable for input. It does have the LED display that shows you the battery percentage. On top of the device, it has a USB-A output, a USB-C input, and a USB-C-A output number 2. And then on the side of the device, it has the power button to turn on the battery bank. It has super fast charge, safety protections, built-in cables, which is what was key for me. And what's nice, it has an LED digital display for displaying the percentage. Here is what the product is: the OHOVIV portable charger, power bank, 50,000 milliamp battery pack. So let me go ahead and unbox it, and I will be right back. Okay, so I take everything out of the box, and this is what it comes with. It comes with the user manual for the portable charger, how to use it, warranty information, things like that. Comes with a product activation reminder card for troubleshooting. It has a USB-A to USB-C charger cable and the power bank. So here's what the power bank looks like from the top and from the back. So here are the built-in cables, the USB-A, USB-C, lightning, and micro USB, all attached here. So you just want to take one out, connect to your device, and it's super convenient, super easy to put back. So that's really what I was looking for, something that I didn't have to carry additional cables. So this is actually really nice. Here, let me unwrap this here. And for the top, we have a USB-A, 2 USB-As, and a USB-C. Let me go and turn it on. Here's the power button here on the side. Let me press and hold. Okay, so the battery pack came in at 68% battery, which is nice. It's already juiced up a little bit. And let me go ahead and show you here the information here. As you can see, it says, let me let it focus: portable charger, 50,000 milliamp battery, model N10. And then there's their outputs right there. If you want to pause the video to kind of look at that. Yeah, so there it goes for outputs for the USB-C, USB-A, the lightning cable, the inputs, their voltage, the battery capacity is 5,000 milliamps again. So anyways, here's a quick unboxing and view of the power bank. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, this is something I was looking for, something that has included cables. I didn't have to bring my own. You can charge up to 6 devices all at once with this power bank. So anyways, there's a quick review, a quick overview of the power bank. If you want to, want me to post another video of, charging multiple devices and how long it will take to charge a device and how many cycles it can take, let me know in the comments and I can make another video. But just want to show you a quick overview, maybe of someone that was looking for a power bank that is portable, has built-in cables, and it looks like you can charge, again, up to 6 devices all at once. This might be the product for you. But let me know if there's anything else you want to see from this device. Put it down in the comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.